the time taken by a body while ascending on a rough inclined plane of inclination theta is 1 by n times the time taken to descend. Then find the coefficient of friction. Ascend means what, Almina? Going up. Descend means going down. And they are given it as what, Almina? So time taken by a body to ascending. So if I call this as TA, ascending case, TA if I call, TA which is given as what, you tell me now? 1 by n times of time taken to descend. Now we need to see that TA and TD. TA means going up, TD means going down. So as we have seen, time taken to slide down, which will be equal to square root of what, tell me now? That is 2L by A. Where A means what, tell me now? If the body moving upward direction, A up. If the body moving downward direction, A down formula we have to use. Now here TA means going up now. So we have to use A up. So that means time of ascent, which will be equal to what, tell me now here? Square root of 2L by, in this case, we have to use A up formula. So going up now, so A formula we have to use. Next, now TD. What the TD is? So time taken to descend, which is equal to what, tell me now? Square root of, yes, that is 2L by body moving down. So we have to use A down formula. Now in this case, they given the relation TA is equal to 1 by n times of TD. And put the things now here. That is 2L by A up. And which is equal to what, tell me now? 1 by n times of. So this is 2L by A down. Now simplify it. So root 2L will get cancelled and squaring on both sides, then will come to be a what, Almina? 1 by A up, and which is equal to what, Almina? 1 by M square into what, Almina? 1 by A down. Cross multiply. So we'll get. So this is cross multiply now here will come it as A up, which is equal to N square into A down. Yeah, how much the A up and A down? Acceleration up case, down case, we know na. Up case, which is equal to, yeah, G into those things you need to remember. G into sine theta plus mu cos theta. And which is equal to N square into G into what, tell me now? A down is sine theta minus mu cos theta. Simplify, get the mu value. G will get cancelled both sides. Then we have sine theta plus mu cos theta, and which is equal to n square into sine theta minus mu n square into cos theta. Now bring all signs one side, cos other side. So that it is, if you take the cos to this side, mu into cos theta we have taken common. Mu cos theta common. So will come to be a what, tell me now? 1 plus n square, which is equal to Sin theta common, then that is n square minus 1. Then will come to be a mu is equal to, so this is n square minus 1 by n square plus 1 into tan theta.